In this video, I'll show you how to install Scrapy library in a Python project in Pycharm IDE. For that, first we will open that Python project in Pycharm in which we want to install Scrapy. Now before starting the installation, do hit the like button if you find the video useful. Now to install Scrapy, we will click on this file here. Then go to new project setup and here we will click on this settings for new projects. Here we will click on this Python interpreter and from this drop down we will select the correct Python interpreter for which we want to install Scrapy. For me the correct interpreter is this one which is present inside this Hello World project here. So I will select this interpreter here. Please be cautious while selecting the interpreter here because if you select the incorrect interpreter then you won't be able to use Scrapy properly in your Python projects and it will give you errors when you will try to import this Scrapy library. And as soon as we select the interpreter, we will see all the packages here that are already installed for the selected Python interpreter. Now we will click on this plus icon which will open up a new window of available packages. Now to install Scrapy, we will search for Scrapy in this search box. This is the one, we will select this and click on install package here. The installation is in progress. Once this is installed, we will see this message here, package Scrapy installed successfully. Now we can close this window here. Here we will see this Scrapy package along with the other packages which were not present earlier. Now we can click on this OK, which will close this window as well. Let's verify the installation whether the Scrapy library is installed properly or not, and for that we will write couple of lines of code here. So first we will create an empty Python file, and for that we will click on this file here. Then we will click on this new and here we will select this Python file. Now we will give the name of the file, so I will write hello here and I will double click on this Python file. Now first we will import the Scrapy module, so we will write import and Scrapy. Let's print the version also of Scrapy, so we will write print then Scrapy dot underscore underscore and version underscore underscore. Let's now run this program. For that we will right click on this and say run hello. Here we did not get any error, so it means the import was successful. Also in the output we got the version of Scrapy here. So now we can say that the Scrapy library is installed properly and we can use this in any Python code now. Let me know if this video was useful to you.